was sema papa ever attention to so social media trends and I'm a so more now when it's attention to if it's my agency any YouTube I was social media so I just opa attention to video or come back to subscribe like it share the comment and so and from my go to Facebook and so attention TV to pass so but follow mommy now like the comment let's answer a share one over Twitter and so and I stories written stories and so and so attention TV to call me stories now so I will see for social media trends some also social media so it go and as crown a catch or anything, and I imagine we play our attention to the swan. We know every group of money as Masan so actually more a day actual. None of the say University Foundation, up there foundation, or didn't was so engaged and come over with Monsieur and our show. We patch up, we be in the same idea movie, any person or something, and with what the foundation will say, well, we will do birthday. And as happy marriage anniversary, and as I say, so yeah, be and no one will be. Now, so home one and no song, and as and song, anything, and I'm university, at the mouth. They be a casting nations and never to it. I'm much of a friend, Hannah, and as a better soprano. Over 054-8302985, 054-8302985. You have social media trends as well. Maybe an answer by will be a Ghana. As a person in Juma, or papa, a more comedy, and I can say or specialize awards. You have about or a social media influencer or some ambassadors, and more products will be a Ghana memo. I will say social media as well. Now, a by way after you be a controversial kaka naturalist assembly at the front of one on Jai Emaneko. It's a 7 over 2 I was so terrible. Na obiasum edjumo na nipa meka no hasemi ene Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar. Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar akoye say ni de you better say she's a radio and TV personality also and it is a ban social media na say ban journalism edjuma na onimu papa na enche ye bia ana onedi ene chairman ontumi ene lawyer Morris Ampao ekonya kasakase bia edidi aboni na ebe mu a okọ NOGOKPO na okoye no yemti na tiyese priest o NOGOKPO e de letter bia to Facebook e chiro ma chira Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar e no press aba NOGOKPO na oba ye no ye dai no e de ma oni ne god sa asemo de ba ye no ano ana wo be ka chiro bo mu ko mantie only the gods and they more asem. That's so and then so echo social media so I come here for say beef no e dey feed lay chairman to me any lawyer Morris Ampao show e dey call media general. E ka say media general a TV station and as radio station am come home ma omo ba kuni na no e wo nipa ba ko ase and as e wo committee and as it she bi ba ko ase ai be nya TV e wo ye wo nya TV and what we are FM, you are 3 FM, and so na we and a pen if Afia Schwarzeneggar, Edema, maybe picture, Abertuni, Instagram wall page, and watch Mammy, a friendly pictures, Neka, Queen Afia Schwarzeneggar, Chilimoa, Ekame up yesterday on your FM on your TV, it will show be a TV station as FM station swap or pair panelist Emma Wombest Nasi. Now, Yabeka swap Queen Afia Schwarzeneggar, the Honsen, some ending for Akoya, Sama, Ebeto, Edema, journalist for teaching word D or Makotine, entertainment segment, a honor. Now, we and I Queen Afia Schwarzeneggar age, no matter come up yesterday station, Echo Far, panelist be Evertnas, when you're only Nasem Eba and Wakania, Yaya, Emma, or no Queen Afia Schwarzeneggar. I never papa in a way and over toilet at thing. A day I took picture, what it's on the Instagram wall page as here. What do you catch your mommy? Say, Mommy, look at your back, and I'm coming like a time. Say, Moody, say, I'm with yourself, Mukasobina, dear Mamma. Now, one ya naturally was say, and move back stabbing and that any sacrament, and I may cry a new mamma fine. And my own fassa empty a crab. Say, I got a lady in the end and don't me fire empty. Nebsia come home, Nayan kind letter, but if you're Schwarzeneggar, actual, the dear mamma, dear, or media general. Now, wait, and I was here. I say, I remember the day that afternoon you called me. Don't know how you got my number. I say, and begged me to move the show. Political police to your station. You would want it to be on your TV and radio concurrently, and I turned it down. I say still have that conversation. I told you I don't quit on people, and TV Africa needs me, so I won't quit on them in just 4 months. Thank you for your offer, but no. I don't remember insulting you or disrespecting you in any way, but let me ask you, is that the reason why you want to use Onya TV to peddle falsehood against me? Tell me the truth. Tell Ghanaians your pain. I remember you telling me we come from the same town, etc. And that was why I called to warn you and your network to leave me alone. See, Onya TV has been peddling lies about me, my children, my brand for years. If I open my mouth, I become the bad one. If I was any of the things you allow people to say about me on your network, why did you beg me to come work for TV3? The next post will be about you and the things you do in secret. That makes you think you're perfect, or you think people don't know you. You don't have skeletons in your cupboard. I will end here and ask God to deal with you. Abba, is it by force? And I was so actually leave me alone. I deserve some peace. Beatrice Ajiman, a media general. Leave me. The profession and mankind or say, and some Ghanaians have seen what is going on your TV, but are quite hypocrite. Don't worry, I am about to take over. Even you that employs fraudsters and scammers and puts them on TV is roaming in Ghana like some good woman being. Apu, leave me alone. I want to repeat this post again. And it was therefore I have a letter to Queen Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar. Actually, come on, Mammy Beatrice Adjimino. Say your last sentence. Now, me person me san kai mobile. Now you should do one more. Even you that employs fraudsters and scammers and put them on TV as roaming in Ghana like some good woman be. Apu, leave me alone. I want to repeat this post. I promise. Naturally, so which my name say Ebia. Na NOGOKPO ana Queen Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar edene dia ene de ye sheda eni fise be kaya time na NOGOKPO ewo kantanka TV ana odi ni djuma ewo hono no ye be kaya metin wase bi ekroso ewo NOGOKPO ene Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar intema ene so ekoye social media thing beef I need a simple course no papa eya ne na mu no NOGOKPO ko go university dey also constitutional law wa ye ko go ye Ghana for Association of Commentators or person who said what kind of no crab or go ye a cost a chiba bia no na school it doesn't exist. Now in your time echo through if Queen Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar post now with the on the Instagram or page so any media general any anti Beatrice Ajiman hono you call messages and I say you can say comments you can say fans of Queen Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar so ede ebeto on ebusia ka ho na yempo kan we say it's too much that lawyer Blue Gates no some kan you say you can lawyer Blue Gates there na abi mo kasa mo ni nipa ko Queen Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar or do know we say perfect so now when we see you fighting then we will know that you are innocent, not just a way so edge your mouth. Queen Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar, ya na interconnected war, ya na obey me say ya and from Ghana for an fans, not just as the war, ya as Messia, when you said, Queen Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar, any kind of tricks to know that she so yes, Messia, yet more as say, way so edge your mouth. I have always said it that they are always looking for her trouble, and when she starts, she becomes the bad one. Ways to say, oh, Auntie B is not a bad person, not as a way no, or Kasa Edema, Beatrice Ajiman, or media general, a year alleged a Afia Schwarzeneggar, a Kase, or friend, a son from Juma, a media general, and far and Malone. I say I've worked under her for years and is an amazing person you can never ever approach. I don't know what is happening, but honestly, Auntie B is blameless. Anyway, please just take it easy. It's well. We and so say God will continue to fight for you. Not just say, Queen Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar upon all the or good fans and that's our fans or that's all a supporting way. So don't you know what without you that TV station has no content, especially Lawyer Blue Gate and that Cindy who is trying to belong but she is nobody. Not just somebody or myself echoes in the cast. So where she said it looks like since you always come out to speak up, they think you are always the bad one. Meanwhile, some people are tempting you off air and pretending to be the perfect ones online. Naturally, anybody or the posted by maybe he or she knows what is happening behind the curtains. Naturally, so nowadays threatening na ebe media naturally anybody when you never papa. When you say I don't see or know you, but always specify to anyone around me that you are a good person due to my personal experience. They always look for your trouble, and when you talk, you become the bad one in high time. You don't help them trend thanks. Love you, waiting to meet you one day. We say it's getting out of hand. I don't know what they want from you. We say I think you should take it out on whoever is doing that, but I don't think their boss would feed them or precisely tell them to attack you. We so edge the match now. Come here, says Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar alleged that workers say now what time before announcing what the pundits ever will show so our media journal, especially on your TV, ever lampashon no, ebi krana and free activities ho, ebi na on one host no, and I do Macron say story when the trend is why can we talk about it? We so say I am glad you'll be able to talk sense into the Onya TV. It's going overboard. Special that lawyer Blue Gates without your name, her so-called show is not interested. Oh wow. But I think you should take it out on whoever is doing that, but I don't think their boss would feed them or precisely. Okay, I've read that. We say a fear without you there would be nothing for them to talk about. Remember, you put food on their table. Don't take it too personal, my dear. We say at the inti ana wope violence I don't make a comment. Me compare Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar ni poster or day mama bitches juma media juma not just option. The besha obi programs manager and also your producer says the Schwarzeneggar Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar ni letter ten or they ever to ho mama media na Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar expose bi but I can question say me man be aji manasi the world changer the juma about so this year and then she ever found say Eii Afia Schwarzeneggar the video so ever to about the first seminar the man was so at social media trends and I'm never so more attention TV. So now the cow say wow attention TV ebo juma who dey rule at the amount no juma no so no changes there at all. Numbers na school go down for back now the marketing department no entry come on. Wow so person over they be would make dey all the team no person was now so e dey betu ye ni na bia we attention TV so no numbers na school down also ubetimi afa na oni department so akasa midi ene appreciate so person na so attention TV.